Social Impact Summit was started in 2017 as an event that we brought into the TENWEST Festival as a way to really start looking at how nonprofits and social ventures and corporations, public sector could come together to start working on larger impact and innovation opportunities for Tucson. We're excited that in 2018 we had our second year, and everything from talking about how to collaborate, how to drive leadership, how to actually get people working together. We had some specific focal points this year on healthcare, prosperity, how to drive investing to support the eventual social impact, environmental impact, economic impact that Southern Arizona is looking for. The Social Impact Summit also features a pitch competition every year. This year we were able to give out $25,000 in prizes. We had over 24 applicants and 6 finalists that were able to pitch new ideas or new prototypes, new pre-launch ventures that they were able to then pitch to a group of investors, judges, nonprofit leaders to be able to get some seed money to be able to get that off the ground. And these ventures need to be not only have a unique value and a great solution that solves actual pain points in the community, but these need to be ventures that are scalable. They need to be sustainable over time. We're hoping that this pitch competition eventually becomes a opportunity for people to come in, generate new ideas every year, and something that continues to become a focal point of the community to really think about how are we trying to solve these wicked problems, not only locally but globally, and how do we leverage the amazing talent and thought leadership of Southern Arizona to make that happen. One of the things that we're really excited about with the Social Impact Summit is the number of partners that continue to join every year to help us grow this conversation and educate one another, and to really look at how do we develop a generation of leaders that is ready to actually work together across sectors to make change.